Ladies and gentlemen, people of the internet, today I want to share with you the best mobile wallet for cryptocurrency that will help you keep your daily crypto usage safe and secure. And by the way, if you're into cryptocurrency and blockchain, please do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that little bell notification button below so you can get a heads up whenever I post new content. Thanks in advance for that, and without further ado, let's hash it out. Now, the topic of today's video is my current favorite mobile wallet, especially for iOS, and that is Evercoin. Evercoin is a well-designed cryptocurrency wallet application that is available on iOS and Android that has built-in exchange features and a great option for daily use of cryptocurrency. The interface is super clean, it has everything you need right on the main page, and you can quickly see a customizable list of crypto assets, price trends, and of course the graphs for each. You can also tab over and see your own wallet and balances. Now, this is an underrated feature in and of itself because honestly, many wallets have your balance on the main page, and I hate that because anyone looking over my shoulder when I open the app just to check the prices can see my portfolio and how much I have in there. Not good. So I like to be able to control that, and I love that Evercoin by default has it in a different tab. Now, they have a pretty decent list of assets supported at the moment, and that list is continually growing. Now, I'll show you that list here, but of course, if you have one that you want supported on Evercoin, let me know in the comments below and I'll share it with the team. Another thing I use quite often is the price alerts functionality to help keep me updated on where the prices are moving, and in my experience, these notifications have always come at the appropriate times, and I'm not seeing really delayed responses to price movement. Of course, these are features that one would come to expect from a good mobile wallet, but you'd be surprised at how overcomplicated these, albeit simple features can become on some mobile apps. I love the simplicity here, since I use this primarily as a day-to-day wallet. If I want to move Ether to MetaMask or send a friend a payment using crypto, I turn to Evercoin. And to be honest with you, the simplicity of the wallet is what makes it a pleasure to use. Now, there is a massive underrated feature in Evercoin that makes it my top pick by a large margin, so stay tuned for that. But let's talk about one more thing first before we get there. There are built-in exchange and swap features within Evercoin, and yes, they do require KYC, which is not surprising in the slightest either. This is of course an optional process, and you can use Evercoin as a wallet and a secure wallet at that without doing KYC. You just won't be able to use the exchange features built in. However, if you do, you have a great way to swap one asset for another right inside your app without moving to a non-custodial exchange where you lose control of your crypto. For example, it's a great way to get rid of the BSV you were sent without asking on Coinbase to convert it for something more useful or something that you want. You can also onboard USD to the USD Coin stablecoin or fund crypto buys with US dollars as well using the banking integrations in the app. But what makes Evercoin the best mobile wallet in my mind is the approach to security that they've taken. To my knowledge, Evercoin is the only mobile wallet that has a high quality integration with hardware security keys to make the crypto on your mobile device and mobile wallet for that matter as secure as humanly possible. I'm a huge fan of YubiKey hardware keys, and I use them and I recommend them to everyone that I can find. And I make a lot of videos about this, so if you want to see those, I'll link them in the description. I was ecstatic to find that Evercoin has native integration with YubiKey to secure operations on the wallet. Basically, this little key that plugs into your Apple or iOS device can make your mobile wallet on Evercoin extremely secure, about as close as you can get to a hardware wallet without it being a hardware wallet. This means that if someone gets a hold of your phone and tries to drain your crypto wallets and send it out to their own, or just to view your seed phrase and steal your crypto, they would be stopped dead in their tracks because they need your hardware key plugged in directly to your device to let you do these certain operations. This adds a layer of critical security in terms of cold hardware verification to the process of sending crypto, viewing your seed, and doing things with your wallet on your phone. The YubiKey essentially is a means by which Evercoin can encrypt your private key on your device so it can't be read or used without the YubiKey itself plugged in to decrypt that key. Now, I love this, and not only that, YubiKey is quite literally one of the most useful security devices, and I'm so happy to see crypto moving in that direction as well. It's also super simple to set up. You simply get a YubiKey, which I will link up below if you want to pick one up. You plug it in, click the setting in Evercoin to connect your YubiKey, and then you're done. I can't overstate how awesome this is for an additional layer of security on a mobile device, crypto wallet application, and not just that, other applications as well. And it's a big step up from biometrics built into phones as well as SMS verification, which is extremely bad. Well done, Evercoin, on this. I love it. Now, I've spoken to Miko Matsumura, one of the major brains and marketers behind Evercoin, and he told me that in the future they will be adding even more cool and robust integrations with YubiKey to make Evercoin even more secure. There is also a patent-pending wallet recovery feature that utilizes Magic Link recovery process to recover your wallet in case you lose it. Now, this is an optional feature that you can decide to use or not, but it's there if you want it. Quite literally, Evercoin has replaced the litany of mobile wallets that I used to have on my phone, and it's the closest thing I've ever seen to a hardware wallet security level that you can get on a native mobile device app. Now, if you want to try it out, I'll put the links for Google Play and Apple App Store for Evercoin down below so you can download it. Not an affiliate link or anything, I just think you should try it. And if you have any feedback at all about the wallet, please do share it with me in the comments section or via email, because the Evercoin team is always looking for feedback to improve the app experience and feature set. So I hope this helps you better secure your cryptocurrency whilst you're on the go. But if you want to dig deeper on security online, please do check out my video about my top 3 favorite VPNs to keep your internet traffic secure and private. I'll link that up on the screen. Thank you in advance, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Cheers.